In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TC2000 Hotkeys. We're going to streamline a simple scan and mark routine so you can move through symbols quickly, check multiple timeframes, and mark up key levels without breaking your flow. Think of this as a tight loop you can repeat for every symbol in your watch list. Start with your chart and watch list visible in TC2000 so you can see a symbol's price action clearly. When you're ready to advance, press the spacebar to go to the next stock. This jumps your active symbol to the next item in your watch list and refreshes your chart instantly. It's a great way to keep your eyes forward and maintain momentum. If you don't see the chart update, make sure TC2000 is the active window and your watch list is linked to the chart you're viewing. Once the next symbol is on screen, press the number 1 to view the daily chart. The daily time frame gives you the big picture: overall trend direction, major support and resistance zones, and key moving areas where price has reacted in the past. Taking a moment here helps you avoid tunnel vision later. Use this view to note the prevailing trend, whether price is extended or compressed, and where the most obvious swing highs and lows sit. After you've got the broader context, press Ctrl+3 to switch to the 5-minute chart. This zooms you into intraday structure so you can see how price is behaving within today's session. You'll be able to spot consolidations, breakouts, pullbacks, and areas where liquidity tends to show up. Compare what you're seeing on the 5-minute chart with the levels you just identified on the daily. This alignment is what gives confidence to trade ideas and helps you plan entries and exits with more precision. With that context in mind, press Shift+D to draw a trend line. Click on a clear pivot or swing point, then drag to another meaningful pivot to define the slope you care about. Keep your line purposeful. Are you tracking an uptrend's higher lows, logging a downtrend's lower highs, or framing a channel boundary? A clean, well-placed line can quickly tell you if momentum is accelerating, stalling, or preparing to reverse. Avoid over-marking the chart. 1 or 2 decisive lines are often enough to guide your decisions. When you've finished your markup and taken mental or written notes, press the spacebar again to move to the next stock and repeat the cycle. Daily for context, 5-minute for detail, a quick trend line to visualize structure, then advance. With repetition, this hotkey loop becomes second nature and dramatically speeds up your analysis without sacrificing quality.